Tux Paint tools. You already know how to use some of the tools in Tux Paint. The tools you used were Paint tool, Shapes tool, and Eraser tool. Let us learn about some more tools now. Text tool. We use text tool to add text, captions, and titles in the drawings. To use the text tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the text tool in the toolbar. Step 2. Select a letter style or font from the selector pane. Step 3. Choose a color from the color palette. Step 4. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas and click. A blinking line appears. This blinking line is known as the cursor. Start typing the text. When you finish typing, press Enter key or Tab key. The text will appear as an object on the drawing canvas. Magic tool. Magic tool is a collection of tools to add a lot of special effects to your drawings. To use the magic tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Magic tool. A variety of effects appear in the selector. Step 2. Choose the effect or tool you wish to use in your drawing. Step 3. To draw, bring the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas. Drag the mouse while holding the left mouse button. Release the mouse button to complete the drawing. For example, look at grass and rainbow magic effects in the picture. Stamp tool. The stamp tool is a unique tool in Tux Paint. It is a collection of stamps or stickers. To use the stamp tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Stamp tool from the toolbar. Step 2. You will see many stamps in the selector. Use the left or right arrow to see the categories of stamps like plants, animals, people, etc. Use up or down arrows to look for more stamps. Select any stamp. Step 3. The size of the stamp can be increased or decreased with the help of the control bars present at the bottom of the selector. Step 4. Bring the pointer to the drawing canvas and click to add the selected stamp. Save tool. In Tux Paint, you can save your drawing by just clicking on the Save button in the toolbar. Your picture gets saved in just a click. Open tool. You can open your saved drawings by clicking on Open button. To open an existing drawing, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Open button. The small views of the drawings that you have saved will appear. Step 2. Click on the picture you want to open. Step 3. Click Open button in the lower left corner of the screen, just above the color palette, to open the selected drawing. The drawing appears on the screen. Quit tool. Step 1. Clicking the Quit tool closes the Tux Paint window. Step 2. When you try to quit Tux Paint, a message appears asking if you really want to quit. Click on Yes, I'm done or the tick button. Another message box appears asking you to save your drawing if you have not saved it. Step 3. Click on Yes, save it if you want to save it, or No, don't bother saving if you don't want to save it.